Hey folks, big day today in which we are cutting a hole in the roof of the van. So I just bought a brand new 2020 Ford Transit high roof, and I'm actually going to be voiding the warranty and cutting a hole in the roof of the van. Super anxious, super nervous, but when it comes to anxiety and nerves, you just got to prepare. So that's why we've got all of our tools laid out here. And I'll just go down the list of things that we've got. C-clamps to keep things together. We've got our jigsaw to do the cuts. We've got our drill, our power drill to actually cut the holes for the jigsaws to fit in. We've got the butyl tape. We've got the isopropyl alcohol so that we can clean everything. We've got the primer, clear coat, and paint to make sure that we don't have any rust after we cut the hole. We've got our decor, which is used to prevent any leaks, any moisture leaks. We've got all of our drill bits. We've got our screws, washers, nuts, pliers, tools. And I'm doing something interesting here where I'm going to be using a cardboard box to basically seal up the bottom side of the van so that when I do make my cut and all the metal shards are flying everywhere, that way I can actually contain them because every little shard that spins out as I'm doing my cut, they are a potential ignition source for rust. So we want to minimize any spread of those little metal chips as much as possible. So stay tuned. Hopefully we've got some good news soon, and I'll keep you guys posted. We got a hole in the roof, baby, and it's a perfect fit. That's why you got to measure 9 times and cut once. So what we did was we used a garbage bag to collect all of the metal shavings, and we got this roof vent adapter that I purchased online, and we've got all of our tools up here. So we cut a big old 14-inch by 14-inch hole. Gonna do some sandpapering to make the edges smooth. And we've got some C-clamps to keep everything together when I actually screw in the actual fan adapter. And that's where I actually cut the piece of metal. So you can see there's actually some material in between each of the different metal layers here. So it's interesting, very scary activity, but you could see I did a little bit of a test cut in the middle, just to get a hang of the jigsaw. Actually went through, let's see if I can find it. Went through a couple different jigsaw blades. You could see I bent this one a little bit. There was one that was actually completely went perpendicular. I'm not sure if I'll be able to find it, but yeah, so just get used to the jigsaw. That's my biggest tip. Definitely measure 1,000,000 times, then cut once, and have fun. I mean, first time ever using the jigsaw, anybody can do it.